Now, closer to home, the push to get COVID-19 vaccinations to St. Louis City and county residents takes a big step forward today. The largest mass vaccination event so far in St. Louis City begins in just 1 hour, and it's happening at the Dome at America Center. And News 4's Julia Avery is there live with more. Good morning, Julia.
Yeah, Maurice, good morning. They hope that this will be the largest vaccination center in St. Louis, hoping to vaccinate 2,500 people today, up to 4,000 or 5,000 people total this weekend. And you can tell, take a look at this line. The event just started here at 8 o'clock, starts at the front here of the America Center, goes down the block, and then down Washington Avenue. These people have been waiting here for quite a while, guys. They said, yeah, kind of anything to get this vaccine. People are willing to wait here. And we are joined now by Health Director Dr. Eccles. Dr. Eccles, thank you for joining us. What can people expect? We see right now there is a line, but if you do have an appointment today, what can you expect when you get here?
So the process will be extremely efficient. So we have the same checkpoints in place that we've had at previous events. So individuals who have an appointment, they're screened by our screeners to make sure they're on our roster. If they're on our roster, then they'll proceed to the registration area. And then after they complete the registration forms, we'll work with them to get to the vaccination stations. Then after they receive their vaccine, they'll be transferred to the observation area where they'll be monitored by EMTs for at least 15 minutes. And so the process we have in place is extremely efficient. We have a roster that's already in place as well, so we've automated a lot of our processes to make sure that the experience that individuals have is high quality.
Now, we know you do have to have an appointment for today. Are all of the appointments full, or can some people still be expecting an email?
The appointments for today are full. However, if there are individuals who are eligible according to the state's criteria, we may be able to accommodate them later on in the day. We have another event scheduled for tomorrow. The schedule for tomorrow isn't full yet, but people continue to register throughout the day, and so we'll hope that by the end of the day we'll have over 2,000 registrants for tomorrow as well.
Now, this past week in St. Charles, we saw hour-long waits, traffic down the street. What are you guys doing? I mean, we are in the city to mitigate traffic today.
So one is we had to have a venue that has the capacity to accommodate a large number of people. So the America Center is that place in the city of St. Louis. And so we're grateful for Explore St. Louis and their partnership for today's event and for tomorrow's event. We're also grateful for the generosity of the Poorer family who runs the Park St. Louis. And so they've actually provided complimentary parking on 7th Street garage as well as in the 6th Street flat lot for individuals who are coming down today. So we couldn't do this alone, so we're extremely grateful for our partners, again, such as Explore St. Louis and the Poorer family in Park St. Louis.
Okay. Thanks again so much for being here with us. And like I said, people are already waiting down the block. You can still sign up for appointments tomorrow, as Dr. Eccles said, but be sure to know that if you signed up with the county you are not eligible for today, you need to go on to the city's website. Reporting live at the America Center, Julia Avery, News 4.
All right, Julia, thank you very much. And thank you, Dr. Eccles. Big day.